Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small and mid-cap space at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great investments. Tuesday, November the 24th, resources are dominating the headlines today, and not a surprise given the fact where gold, platinum, silver, and all the metals are. Let's get straight to it. First up, Levon Resources trades on the Venture Exchange under LVN, and for our friends in Germany on the Frankfurt Exchange under LO9. The company announced additional results from their Cordero project. This is in Mexico. Looks like the highlight number here, 66 meters grading 17.3 grams per ton of silver and 1.45% zinc. They've also announced that they've doubled their land position to 200 square kilometers. These are results from the remaining 3 holes drilled during the initial diamond drill program. This project at the Cordero is a silver, gold, zinc, lead, porphyry project. Significant results were obtained in hole C098. That looks like that was the highlight hole. That was the interval beginning at about 190 meters. A second high-grade interval beginning at 426 meters returned 8 meters grading 97.9 grams ton of silver, just over 3% zinc, and just over 1.5% lead. That is located 1,200 meters northeast of the previously reported hole C095 and represents, according to the company, a second discovery at Cordero. The company closed yesterday at 58 cents. Been doing very well this year. 52-week low at just 5 cents. Did move up as high as 72 cents recently. So they're sitting near their 52-week high. Good news for the team over at Levon Resources. Next up, Probe Mines, TSX Venture Exchange. PRB, not a stranger to a lot of you here because they're involved in the prolific McFalls Lake area, and they announced phase 2 drilling results, and they're saying that they've yielded more high-grade chromite for the Black Creek discovery. That's in McFalls Lake area. Significant core intervals up to 43.7% chromite. These are final analytical results that have been received for all 11 holes completed during phase 2. This is on their partnership program, on their partnership project with Noront Resources. Just a couple of holes. They've got 7 highlight holes. I'm going to give you 3. 0911, 34.5 meters of 33.8% chromite. Hole 0912, 42.6 meters of 34.6% chromite, and hole 0913, 63.6 meters, 33.9% chromite. Go take a look at all the numbers there. Some pretty good numbers. Here's a little bit about the company. $4 million in the treasury. They're focused on McFalls Lake. They also have an option joint venture agreement with West Timmins Mining on its Bristol Township Gold Project, which is adjacent to the million-plus ounce gold deposit owned by Lakeshore Gold Corp. And the company says it's only got about 33.5 million shares outstanding. Closed yesterday, 38 cents. Also done very well this year. 52-week low, 5.5 cents. 52-week high, 49 cents. Good news out of Probe Mines. Next up, AGORACOM client Anglo Swiss Resources trades on the venture under ASW, and for our friends in the U.S. On the OTC under ASWRF. Anglo Swiss is announcing that they're initiating a major exploration program on their Nelson mining camp. This is located just southwest of Nelson, British Columbia. They're saying this is the most aggressive exploration program on the largest contiguous property in the history of the Nelson mining camp. That's the company's words. The Kenville Gold Mine is the flagship of this property group. They're saying go take a look at their recent NI 43-101 compliant report on CDAR that has the company's first gold resource on the 257 level of the 7-level high-grade gold mine. All known veins are open to surface and, more importantly, open to depth. That's out of the company. About the 43-101, further down in the About section, they're saying that they've got 373, the Kenville gold mine has 373 ounces of gold measured, indicated, and inferred. Closed yesterday at 30.5 cents, 52-week low 6.5, 52-week high 47 cents. This is the AGORACOM client. Disclosed that already, but do your own due diligence. And finally, Freewest Resources trades on the Venture Exchange on the stock symbol FWR. This is no secret to anybody in the mining world. First of all, this isn't the AGORACOM client. Second of all, the subject of intense takeover bids over the last little while. Noront Resources came in with what the company coined as a hostile takeover, an unfriendly takeover. The company rejected that unanimously. Yesterday, they announced a deal with Cliffs Natural Resources for 70 cents a share, 55 cents of that, which is going to be coming in terms of Cliffs shares for shareholders of Freewest Resources, and an additional 15 cents worth of stock in new Freewest. Well, this is a pretty complicated agreement, so the company today announced that they're holding a conference call to discuss this plan of arrangement. Looks like it's going to take place at 1 o'clock. So get over to the Freewest Resources website, or get over to agoracom.com, punch in keyword Freewest, go to the hub. You get all the information there. They closed yesterday at 64 cents. They've hit a high of 68 cents, so they're butting up against that Cliffs acquisition price. And it looks like that deal is going to take place, and it's slated for now January 2010. But never know, might have somebody else come in. Always have to leave that open to possibility. In addition, there are a lot of conditions to the deal as well, and those also have to pass before this deal can get done. So a lot of work, but congratulations to Mac and the team for a job well done to this point. As one more thing, save the date, December 3rd and 4th. The AGORACOM online gold and commodities conference taking place there. First time ever pure online conference for investors from anywhere in the world that can now tune in, watch company presentations, interact live with management, and watch great keynote presentations from speakers like Peter Grandich, Eric Coffin, Paul Kudrowski, Barry Ritholtz, and Gregor McDonald. It's going to be an unbelievable show. It's free to you. So go take a look at AGORACOM. You'll see the conferences button at the top, or in our menu you'll see conferences. Registration takes 30 seconds, fast, efficient. Make sure you're there. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.